Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, August 31st. Time is around 4:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the DAX is that we made a wave one high here, and that we are now working on this wave two here to the downside. This is our target area. If you want to have a bit more context about this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I just focus here on this part, and so I believe we are heading towards our wave 2 area by doing a WXY structure. So we already had our wave W as an A, B, C, three waves. We now reached our wave X area. So the wave X area we can find by taking the length of our wave W, and then the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is our wave X area. We touched it, and we already had a first reaction to the downside. Now let's see if this here holds. It might be that we of course go deeper into this area. We cannot exclude this. But overall, I believe we are doing this WXY down. An alternative would be that that the corrective structure becomes a flat. That would mean that so this is here shown in red, that we have here three waves as our wave A, that we go really deep into this area, that we even come close to our high as a wave B. If we go beyond the high, it might be even an expanded flat with this overshooting wave B, and then we go down in five waves as a wave C. So this is an alternative scenario, an alternative correction that might play out. But for the moment, I would stick with my WXY, because if we analyze this wave X here, this starts to look close to complete. So let's have a look at this. So first of all, we broke here of this cycle here, the RSI trend line. This is a good sign for for a reversal, I would say. That does not mean that we can still make another high here in price. And then we have here then we have here RSI divergence, which is a reversal sign. So this is a first sign for me for a reversal. So the break of this RSI trend line. Also, if we look here at the 1 hour, and we start to analyze like these structures. So what do we see? We have here our wave W as an A, B, C, then our wave X here down as an A, B, C. So I gave you this area. We reacted from this area to the upside for another upward, for another leg up, for another upward move. This is what we are doing now. So now the question is, what exactly is this leg here? And so what we see here is that, like, we know this is our wave X area that I showed you on the 4 hour. So we touched it, but actually we also touched here the wave Y area. If we take the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area where our wave Y should end. So we also touched this area. First reaction to the downside from here. So if you entered here, you can already be risk free. So let's see if it holds here or not. like I said, it's of course it's possible that we enter that we go deeper into this area, and this is also how I see it now. Like if we look at the 15 minute, I would say that here our wave Y exists of a shorter wave A, then a wave B down, and now we have this like extended wave C. It might be finished here, but yeah, it looks more that like this was a wave 4 down, and that we go one more time like into this area, taking out this high here as a fifth wave here on the lower time frame. So that would mean like here on the 1 hour that we make here another high like with divergence, and especially on the 4 hour it should be visible that we make another high here but with divergence, and then I think this cycle is complete and we can start something to the downside. So that would be my primary scenario, like one more high into this area. There is a chance that it is completed here, but yeah, if I interpret the data, I believe yeah one more high into this area, and then yeah, then I expect like some kind of reversal. But of course, like we are in a wave X here, and it could be yeah that this, despite getting a push down, it can still be that yeah, this corrective structure is not over, and that we yeah get something more, that we have some more, that we get some more data that gives us an indication, like if this, if we need a wave B here, for instance, yeah, then we will see more yeah more bumping around here in this area. We might get a push down, but then we can launch again, and this can become some complicated corrective structure, can even become a triangle. But yeah, for now we do not have the data to assume this. So I always look for the obvious, and the obvious right now would be like I showed you. So a wave X here as an A as a W X Y, and yeah, this one looks yeah one more high, and we are ready. We should get a push to the downside. Then that would be my main expectation. But yeah, the surprise can be that so for instance that this was then only our wave A, that we get or push to the downside from this area, but that we re-enter again as a wave C. For the moment, yeah, this is speculation. That's also why it is my secondary scenario, but it is something that we have to be aware of when we get more data. Yeah, we should also pay attention to these kind of scenarios. But okay, primary scenario, we go once again deeper into this area to finish this wave C, to finish this wave Y, to finish this wave X, and then reaction to the downside, and then we see if it holds. There's a little chance that it is finished here, but yeah, the data is telling me yeah that we need like yeah one more high with RSI divergence. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.